Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Riptide Technologies channel. I'm Eric Miller. I'm going to show you a new product that we just came out with. It is the Ram Air front hood intake for the ST3 hulls from 2018 and up. So that includes your GTXs, RXTXs, Wake Pro, Fish Pro, and Explorer. They come as a set of two with optional water-resistant mesh inserts. To install them, you will need a drill with a T30 bit, probably an extension. You're going to want either a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver for the clip, an 8mm socket, scissors, an extra long screwdriver, or I'm using a barbecue skewer for removing the speaker, a drill with a 2-inch hole saw bit, preferably one with the drill bit in the middle. That'll help you center your hole when you're drilling through your hull. Some masking tape. And then a kit comes with your cutting templates for both sides of the hull. First step, you're going to want your pry tool and your T30 bit. Remove your seat. Move it back a little bit. There's one little plastic snap that we have to remove. Just pull that out. Remove your T30 bit. And then this side panel will just kind of pop up and out. Just like that. Now we're going to have to remove the speaker as well. There's one T30 bolt, if you can see in there, way in there. There's a T30 Torx head bolt we'll have to remove, and this is where you're going to want a longer extension on your drill to get to it. That just comes right out. And then to fully remove the speaker, you want to get your long neck screwdriver, and there's a hole at the bottom of the speaker where you're going to put it in, push all the way in, and then pull down on the speaker. It should pop right out. There's one more bolt to get, and it's right there. It's a 8mm socket head. We're just going to unscrew that, and then this front trim piece will pop right off. That comes out. This you want to pull straight back, and it'll just pop right off. And I already have my template cut out, and I kind of taped it on there. I'll show you where you want to position it. You want to cut out your template and line it up with this back piece of this black plastic trim. Line it up, this edge with this edge. Tape it down. You're going to want to line it up where this front corner is just about touching this piece, and that will give you the perfect hole placement. I drilled the hole already. You're going to want the hole to sit on this flat part up here, and you're going to want to drill straight down into the hull. I would probably I'm going to probably want to clean this up a little bit more. Just get rid of some of these fiberglass burrs on the inside, just make installation a little bit easier. You're going to also want, for a watertight seal, to put a bead of silicone around the OD of this hole and around and put some silicone around the outside of this insert. Once you do that, push it in. Don't force it in, just push it in gently. Push on the corners and wiggle it in. Making sure that your front corner is flush with this surface, and it should snap right in. And then to reinstall everything, just reverse the process. This piece, you're going to want to push this front part down and in. You're going to want to line up these tabs with these tabs up here. Just push down. I'll make a snap, and that's it. And then just put your bolt back in there. Slide your speaker back up. Bolt your speaker back into place, and then install this back piece of trim. And that's it.